There we go. So it's rusty primer red. This is all welded up. This was all bent. This whole deck was folded over from him hitting the curb. So this is all reinforced. Welded this, made this bracket, welded it on. Here's his little edge protector now cut out for the wheel. And got it all welded up, ready to go, wire wheeled it. I decided not to paint the whole deck, so just this one side, because he's gonna need 3 bearings, and I'm gonna reuse that one for now. He'll bring it back. It's all fabbed up, ready to go. It used to look like this. No, that's not my weld either. So but yeah, the John Deere, these things ain't strong. The deck is not strong enough to withstand the leverage that this puts on it. It's very cheaply made. And it's unfortunate because it is John Deere. Oh well. That's what we're doing. I'm gonna get it painted up. This wheel goes in here. This actually goes a little bit, yeah. We'll see. Actually, I think it's this one. That's the rear. Here's the front. There it is. Here's the front. This will go like so.